Hi, I'm Carrie Jackson, principal at Northwest High School, the flagship of Northwest ISD, and we are super excited about the new renovations. You know, when you've been in a building for a number of years and you build on and you add on as you go, there are some parts of the building that start to age, and so it's exciting for us and for our students that we get to have some really needed updates. A couple of things that we're really excited about. One is we're expanding the building to a capacity so that we can hold 3,200 kids. Currently, we have about 2,400 kids in the building, and it can be kind of tight and congested sometimes. And so to be able to provide an extra space for kids to travel about and be in the building is going to be good. A couple of the features that we're excited about as we have this renovation. One is we'll have, I believe it'll be our district's first open concept library at the high school level. And so we're excited about what that will look like. Lots of open space, lots of collaboration area for our students, specific learning spaces, and just a lot of access to the library. We believe that the library is the hub of learning in the building. And so to have that central to the building, easily located right next to our student union, so that as students are going to lunch, they can stop by, maybe get a good book, have some access to the library there. So we really love that. Another thing that is going to be unique to Northwest, and we're excited to have the flagship model of this, is we are getting an arena gymnasium. And that's important because currently at Northwest High School, or really any of our high schools, we don't have a place where we can assemble every one of our kids, a full school assembly. At our pep rallies, we are only able to bring in a certain number of our students, and some of them have to not participate because they can't get into the space. And so to be able to have a space where we can bring all of our students together for assemblies, for pep rallies, for gatherings, for anything like that, is going to be really good for school spirit. Looking to have a building that is just full of natural light and lots of displays and color and things that inspire our students, because we truly do believe, and this is a Northwest ISD tenet, is that our buildings actually influence learnings. Our facilities actually impact our learning. And so to have a great facility for our kids to be in is going to be really, really exciting.